Hey guys, this is Moshe, the electric Israeli, on a beautiful 20 degrees morning. I want to share with you this tweet by Mark Larson from Utah. He took this photo and made this tweet. I'm not going to read it for you. I'll leave it up for you to read a little bit because it has some expletives and I do not curse. He took this photo on Supercharger in Utah, in St. George, Utah, where I assume he lives, I don't know. And he reported this damage of somebody trying to cut the charging cable and then drill some holes in the pins of the supercharger port and all that, and cause damage to I think 3 stalls. And this is another incident in a slew of incidences, I would call it, of supercharging damages, supercharging blocking, harassment, and all that, especially in North Carolina. I made a video about it not too long ago on my trip to Florida, that there's a lot of resistance. So first of all, to the issue, why would you try to cut an electrical cable, and especially an electrical cable like that can absolutely make you a toast, okay? Can fry you. You can be dead in 1 second. Why would anybody want to do that? It is so absolutely dumb and stupid. I mean, I don't understand this person. You want to kill yourself? There are bridges, many bridges around. I don't get it. So that's number one. Number two, what kind of a person are you to think that if you're going to damage a supercharger, or if you're going to park your truck or your trucks in supercharge like they did in North Carolina, around Raleigh, North Carolina, and this guy took his cable and actually put it in the on his truck, like mocking that he's supercharging his pickup truck. I mean, what are you doing? Do we tell anybody what to drive? Is it something that is threatening you? They like people who resist progress. I mean, you like your truck? Drive it. Who cares? I don't care. You get the most subsidies. Gas prices are like $2.20 or something, whatever it is. In Canada and Europe, they are $7. There is no subsidies. Actually, there's a tax on them. We in America get the most subsidies, and they are picking on Tesla Supercharge because they represent progress. They feel threatened by them. Nobody's telling you what to drive. You can drive whatever you want. What kind of a loser a person like that can be, or is? Or those people who, like, they do, they enlarge their exhaust and they manipulate the engine. I forgot what it's called. They manipulate the engine, and they they press on the gas and release like a black suit on Priuses or electric cars like that. I mean, why would you do that? What kind of a idiot person are you? I don't understand. So this is very simple. First of all, when I see not that I need any motivation, but when I see something like this happen, I get more motivated to do what I do. And second of all, we need to absolutely double and triple our commitment to electric vehicles and to alternative energy. And that's my point. All right? Let me know what you think. Have you seen something like this? Have you known something like this? Let me know, guys. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. Help me change the world, literally one electric car at a time. See you tomorrow.